Every code scanner has the same flaw, Pin. It only matches patterns, so teams drown in false positives. Aribot reviews with context. A single Aribot scan covers every repository you have and surfaces the 25 critical issues you must fix before merge. It works as 3 separate reviews running together, and each one of them has a distinct, specialized job. Tier 1 is static analysis tool, a fast, parallel engine running the full CWE and OWASP rule sets across your code. Tier 2 is the AI logic review, connected to your architecture, catching broken authentication and genuinely flawed logic. Tier 3 is remediation, where the fix is written for you automatically and delivered as a ready-to-merge pull request. Aribot pinpoints real flaws right down to the exact line, like an unsafe deserialization buried deep in your code. And when AI writes the code, that code needs review too, because AI coding assistants still make dangerous mistakes. Replit's AI assistant deleted a production database, so Aribot reviews AI-written code with exactly the same rigor. So ship code that has already been reviewed on every single commit. This is Aribot by Aristiun.